Hello guys, welcome back. Let's learn some colors. Sea green color, pink color, yellow color, orange color, red color, green color, brown color, purple color, violet color. Today we will learn to write alphabets A, B, C, D. Let's start. Letter A. A for aeroplane. A for avocado. Next is B. B for brush. B for business. After B is C. C for crocodile. C for candy. Letter C. D. D for dolphin. D for doll. E. E for elephant. E for energy. E. F. F for fancy. F for flower. F. Next is letter G. G for grapes. G for ground. H for hungry. H for house. I for insects. I for ink. J for journey. J for jogging. J. K. K for kiwi. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. L for lychee. This is letter M. M for money. M for mat. M. N for nurse. N for nose. This is N. This is O. O for oxygen. O for octopus. O. P. P for princess. P for pilot. Q for quantity. Q for question. Letter R. R for rainbow. R for rabbit. R. After R, there is letter S. S for school. S is for sun. T. T is for turtle. T is for tent. T. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. V is for violin. V is for van. W. W is for wind. W is for water. X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Later, Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yum. Z is for zebra. Z is for zero. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. next time on to sing with me. Thank you. Subscribe.